Double vision, a new retinal graft technique, aims to reverse AMD. When it comes to restoring vision loss to age-related macular degeneration, we may be closer than ever to a breakthrough, thanks to a remarkable new technique. For the first time, researchers have successfully implanted 2 tissue grafts into the retina during a single procedure, dramatically expanding the potential treatment area for patients suffering from dry AMD, a leading cause of blindness in older adults. Until now, surgeons could only place 1 graft at a time, limiting both clinical treatment and scientific progress. But this new surgical method, enabled by a specially designed clamp that stabilizes the eye, opens the door to side-by-side comparisons within the same retinal lesion, giving researchers a more precise look at how different grafts behave. In animal models, they tested a patch of lab-grown retinal pigment epithelial cells on one side and a control patch with no cells on the other. The result? Only the cell-laden graft preserved nearby photoreceptors, those vital light-sensing cells we depend on to see. More surprisingly, that same patch also helped regenerate the choriocapillaris, the retina's tiny blood vessel network essential for oxygen and nutrient delivery. That kind of dual restoration has never been observed before. This new technique doesn't just treat more of the eye, it helps us understand more of what's happening inside it. And with the scientists already conducting a first-in-human trial of these same stem-cell-derived grafts, the leap from lab bench to bedside may not be far behind. This video is based on the research paper, iPSC-RPE patch preserves photoreceptors and regenerates choriocapillaris in a pig outer regina degeneration model by Capel-Barty et al. In JCI Insight. What do you think about this research? Drop us a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more neuroscience news updates.